Hello and welcome to Education Wing of JC Media, taking you ahead. I am Sachin, your facilitator, and today I am here with a cup of tea to wish you a happy International Tea Day. So friends, let's talk about the International Tea Day. Okay, so the first International Tea Day was celebrated in India, in New Delhi in the year 2005, and this was celebrated on December 15th. So some of the countries from Asia and some of the countries from Africa joined India. Of course, these countries were the tea producing countries. From Asia, our neighboring countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Nepal. They joined us, even Indonesia, Malaysia and our Vietnam. These were the countries from Asia who joined India in celebrating International Tea Day, and some of our counterparts from Africa like Uganda, Malawi, Kenya and Tanzania. These were the countries who joined us for celebrating International Tea Day. And this, as I said, was first celebrated on the 15th of December. Later on, in 2015, India gave a proposal to United Nations FAO organization. You must be knowing about the Food and Agricultural Organization, and to take up this International Tea Day on a global scale. And in 2019, FAO of United Nations agreed to celebrate it and take this on the global scale. So last 2019 onwards, we are celebrating 2019 December. It was agreed upon, and last year 2020 and this year we are celebrating International Tea Day. This is in fact the second International Tea Day. But after finalizing this International Tea Day by United Nations, it is thought to be celebrated on today, that is May 21st. So let us find out something more interesting facts about tea, about the importance of tea, and I'll be telling you about some beautiful facts at the end of this video. So please stay tuned and let us understand and let us go on the journey to understanding everything about tea. Friends, whether it's an International Tea Day or not, everyone requires a hot cup of tea or a hot glass of tea. May the person belongs to rags or whether the person is from riches. Everyone requires a hot cup of tea early morning. Whether the person is from Asia, Africa, or whether he is from America. Whether the person is from Europe or whether the person is from Australasia. Everyone requires a hot cup of tea in the morning. Especially, tea is the best served with newspaper. That's what everyone says. Newspaper and the tea, hot cup of tea on the dining table, and it's a very good pastime for all the elderly people. They get the news all around the world. Teas are of variety. The variety of teas are of different varieties. Like we have black tea, we have green tea, we have white tea, we have spice tea, and we have lots and lots of varieties of tea. So tea is grown in beautiful tea gardens on the hill slopes. If you have visited, you must have been, it must have enchanted you, the scenery. It's a beautiful area. So here we are going to go on a tour of beautiful places, tea gardens, and we are going to understand the benefits of drinking tea. So let us understand some of the benefits of drinking tea. Tea has got antioxidants, which is beneficial for deterioration of stored food in our body. So it helps as an antioxidant. Tea reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. That is why most of the herbalists of kings during the ancient time, they used to use tea and they used to give it to the kings and the soldiers with different blends. Next thing is tea helps in losing weight. It helps in the loss of weight. Tea is also very useful. It helps in constructing or developing your bones. So it's very good. Tea is very good for bones. Bones generally, the tea, whether you're drinking green tea or whether you're drinking black tea or whatever type of tea, if it is boosted with the ingredient of milk, it is more beneficial. So that is why, especially in Asian countries, the tea is drank with milk tea. They add lots of ingredients and spices. Next benefit about the tea, it gives a glow on your skin. Tea provides glow on your skin. Especially it makes your smile very, very bright. Now let us understand the benefit of tea along with milk. Okay, now when you add milk to the tea always has all the benefits, like beneficial for your stored food, antioxidant. It is good for weight loss. It is good for heart and stroke, heart attacks risk reduces. But when you add, and it is very good for bones and your skin. So when you add milk to it, milk has got three important things which is vital for our composition of bones and health, that is calcium, potassium and proteins. Now this tea and combination of milk, it gives you a lot of proteins, calcium, potassium, it gives antioxidants for your body, and it also reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. So that's really a good thing for everyone. So tea gives you lots of benefits for your body. So these were the important benefits of tea. And while going on a tour to these gardens, beautiful gardens, you can see these beautiful gardens, and if you happen to visit these gardens, oh, ooh la la, you'll be like hypnotized. You can say you'll be in a different world. So personally visiting a tea garden is a must in your life. Friends, so I hope the informations what we gave you about the tea, you must have liked it. But before bidding off bye bye to each other, let me tell you some three interesting facts about the tea. In fact, tea happens to be the second most drank beverage in the world after water. So second highest drank beverage is tea. And other facts about tea, I will tell you the most costliest tea in India. So the most costliest tea in India is Golden Inferno. The name is Golden Inferno, which is from Assam. It is grown in Assam. There's a special place for this in Assam called the Borpatra Estate, and the International Tea Day, when it was celebrated for the first time in the year 2005, the tea from this place was picked up for the International Tea Day celebration for the guests who had come from different countries. So the tea's name is Golden Inferno, and it is grown in Borpatra Estate in Assam, which is a picturesque village on the banks of River Dili. So this is the costliest tea in India. And second costliest tea happens to be the white exotic tea of Darjeeling. Yes, Darjeeling, the beautiful hill station in West Bengal. So this Darjeeling, this particular tea, it's a white tea. First one which I spoke about, the Inferno, Golden Inferno, is a black tea. But this is a white tea, white exotic tea from Darjeeling. And this is grown at the height of 2,000 meters from the sea level. It's on the very height, almost about 2 kilometers if you go vertically, 2 kilometers above sea level. And the area, oh, ooh la la, it's a beautiful place, in Darjeeling. If you happen to go there, there, please make it a point to visit the tea gardens in Darjeeling. And if you happen to go to Assam, definitely you can visit many places. There are other places like Munnar in Kerala. Oh, beautiful place where you get, the famous tea brand called Kannan Devan is from Munnar, Kerala. So there are many places. Mangalore, they grow coffee and tea as well. So there are various places where we grow this type tea. And as I said, the costliest one, highest priced teas in India are Golden Inferno, which is a black tea, and White Exotic Tea of Darjeeling, which is grown in Darjeeling, West Bengal. So thank you for being with us for this International Tea Day. Once again, a happy International Tea Day, and let me bid bye-bye to you, and always would like to tell you one thing. Take care, be good, always help others, and never hesitate to say Bharat Mata Ki Jai.